One of my subscribers asked me what I do with my big pots. And that's what I do. I fill up probably, I don't want to say half, but a good bit with deadfall. And it needs to be stuff that's been down and so dry. Because if you put fresher stuff in, what I'm told is it will rob nutrients from your soil to break down, and that's not what you want to happen. You want it to break down without robbing anything from your soil that you add. And that's it. This is a big 25-gallon container. It's about 18 inches deep and 23 inches across. But yeah, wigwag, I hope that answers your question. That's what I do. And then I'll fill the rest in with potting soil, dirt, container soil, whatever. Like Lowe's, I think Lowe's has right now 4 bags of potting soil for $10, and they're 1 cubic per bag. And I think this will hold like 2 cubics. I'll see what it does. I think 1 cubic will be fine, and then I'll be able to put a mix on the top that I use. But yeah, that's it, man. That's what I do. Give it a try. Containers are, you can find big containers from nurseries or something. Sometimes you can find them pretty cheap. But they let you plant quite a bit. They're 23 inches across. So you can put quite a few things in there, depending on the spacing you need for that particular variety that you're growing.